Shluter-Trep SE, trep-S, and trep-B are designed to protect tiled stair edges and provide an easily visible, slip-resistant wear surface for durable, safe, and visually appealing stair nosing design. They are suitable for use in commercial areas subjected to heavy foot traffic, such as offices or public buildings. The profiles feature a trapezoid perforated anchoring leg. The trep-SE anchoring leg is made of stainless steel, while the trep-S and trep-B anchoring legs are made of aluminum. Each profile features a slip-resistant thermoplastic rubber wear surface. The trep-S and trep-SE inserts are 1 1/32 inch wide, while the trep-B insert is 2 1/8 inches wide. Matching end caps are also available. The tread surface is available in a variety of colors and can be replaced in case of damage or wear. To view all the available tread colors, please visit Shluter.com. Shluter-Trep Tap is an anodized aluminum cover profile that integrates with the Shluter-Trep-S and trep-B stair nosing profiles to conceal the top of the riser. The Shluter-Trep SE, trep-S, trep-B, and trep-Tap provide elegant and functional solutions to finish and protect tile edges in stair applications. The first step towards a successful project is planning. In this example, we have selected the tile and corresponding profiles and determined the overall layout. Trep-SE, trep-S, and trep-B will be used as the stair nosing profiles on the various steps. One example will integrate the trep-Tap cover profile. The Shluter Dialex BWA movement joint will be installed between the tile and stringers and between the stair treads and risers. We selected the profile sizes according to the thickness and format of the adjacent tile. In addition to tile setting tools, be sure to gather the appropriate cutting tools for the profiles. Depending on the profile material, different tools will be required. For the stainless steel trep-SE, we will be using a variable speed angle grinder with the Shluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. For the trep-S, trep-B, and trep-Tap aluminum profiles, a chop saw or miter saw with a non-ferrous blade can also be used. The planning is now complete, and we're ready to prepare for installation. In this video, we'll demonstrate the proper installation of the trep-SE, trep-S, trep-B, and trep-Tap profiles in various commercial stair applications, including trep-B installed with the tread and riser tiled using the Shluter Ditra uncoupling membrane, trep-SE and trep-S installed with the tread and riser tiled using the direct bond method, trep-B and trep-Tap installed with the tread tiled using the direct bond method and the riser painted. The sequence may vary depending on the layout and installer preference. The trep profiles are installed in conjunction with the tiles. The first application will showcase the trep-B being installed in conjunction with tile on the tread and riser over the Shluter Ditra uncoupling membrane. We prepare the riser to receive Ditra by applying a primer suitable for steel substrates. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application and drying time of the primer. The Ditra is installed using a rapid setting modified thin-set mortar that is approved for use over the primer. Solidly embed the membrane into the thin-set mortar. Ditra is installed on the concrete tread using unmodified thin-set mortar. Once the Ditra installation is complete, we can begin preparing the profiles. Measure where the trep-B will be installed along the stair nosing. Transfer the measurement to the profile. We cut the trep-B using a variable speed angle grinder with the ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Be sure to observe all safety instructions and standards. Set the angle grinder to the lowest speed. Cut the profile slowly. The profiles can also be cut using a chop saw or miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. File the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profile before moving forward with the installation. Measure the left side of the tread and the riser where the Dial-X BWA will be installed against the stringer, making sure to position the trep-B where it will be located in the assembly. Transfer the measurements to the profile and cut using Schluter snips or similar. Make sure the blade is sharp to help ensure a clean cut. Dry fit the Dial-X BWA. Repeat the process on the right side of the stair. The anchoring leg of the trep-B must be trimmed at the ends to avoid overlap with the Dial-X BWA, since this would interfere with the tile installation. Once the profiles have been cut and checked, the installation can begin. Since the profiles and tile will be installed over DTRA, we will use unmodified thin-set mortar for the remainder of the application. We begin by placing the Dial-X BWA on the riser against the stringers. The profile will be held in place with the installation of the adjacent tiles. Using a notched trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the riser. Solidly embed the tiles in the thin-set mortar. Leave a joint of approximately 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch between the tile and the tread below, and between the tile and the Dial-X BWA. Apply thin-set mortar to the area where the trep-B will be installed. Fill the underside of the profile with thin-set mortar. Press the anchoring leg of the profile into the thin-set mortar and align. Place the Dial-X BWA on the tread against the stringers. Trowel thin-set mortar over the profile anchoring legs to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges on the tread. Solidly embed the tiles into the thin-set mortar so that the tiled surface is flush with the surface of the profiles. Leave a joint of approximately 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch between the tile and the profiles. Remove excess setting material from the profiles immediately to avoid any damage to the finish. The trep-B installation is now complete. The next application will showcase the trep-S and trep-SE being installed in conjunction with tile on the tread and riser using the direct bond method. We prepare the riser to receive tile by applying a primer suitable for steel substrates. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application and drying time of the primer. Measure where the trep-S will be installed along the stair nosing. Transfer the measurement to the profile. We cut the aluminum trep-S using a variable speed angle grinder with the ProCut TSM cutting wheel. The profiles can also be cut using a chop saw or miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. The stainless steel trep-SE is cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the ProCut TSM cutting wheel. File the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profile before moving forward with the installation. Measure where the Dial-X BWA will be installed along the tread to riser transition and cut using Schluter snips or similar. Measure and cut the remaining Dial-X BWA in the manner shown previously, making sure to position the trep-S where it will be located in the assembly. Address any areas where the anchoring legs overlap. Once